Hello, and thank you so much for joining me in this first lesson where we talk all about teamwork. What does teamwork look like in a relationship? If you think you know the answer already, stay tuned because there's going to be some really interesting stuff here that I think is going to help you even more. So, let's begin. When we say teamwork, what do we mean? Well, we call our partners, right? Like partner. So teamwork is just an extension of that. There are partners in life and everything that we do. Our our partners and us can form like a sort of special bond where it's us against the world. And wherever you go, your partner is always on your side, always there to help you, to support you. That's like an ideal, really beautiful concept related to teamwork. Now the problem is that so often our partners come to us with different problems that they face at work, at home, with their friends, and we don't know what to do. Like we don't know what the answer is. We don't know what to tell them. And it can get really hard sometimes because it's like, well, I don't know what to do to help you. And like, I don't even agree with you. Like, let's say that our partner's really sad that they didn't get a promotion at work. Well, what are we supposed to do in that case? A lot of us would be like, well, like they didn't get it, but let's say you didn't think they deserved it because they didn't have enough experience. Maybe you'll tell them something like, yeah, but the other one worked really hard too. And the partner will just feel like, why is everyone ganging up on me? Why is everyone not on my side? And this is a concept that I want you to just hold so dear when we talk about teamwork is that you really want to be like always on your partner's side, always on your partner's team. So, if something bothers them, you just want to take their side because let's say that, for example, they're upset that they didn't get a promotion at work. So they're going to be hurt that they didn't get a promotion. They're going to be hurt the whole day that they were thinking about how they didn't get a promotion, hoping to just tell somebody who's going to be on their team, who's going to be on their side. And then they're going to tell you, and then you're going to say something like, yeah, but the other one worked really hard. Like, you don't know if they deserved it. You're going to hurt them again, guys. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Do you want to go through this hurt, hurt, hurt cycle? I hope not. It's much better if we try to help them. So, like, they're hurt that they didn't get the promotion. They're hurt that they were thinking about it the whole day. Now we have an opportunity to make it a little bit better, to make them feel better. That is, like, so special. And that's what I want you to do. You don't have to solve your partner's problem, but just show that you're on their side. If they come to you and they're hurt, say, wow, that sucks. That must really suck for you. Like, wow, someone's listening to me. Like say it in an open, genuine, honest way. Or you can just say, it's really easy. John Gottman recommends this in his book, The 7 Principles for Making Marriage Work. Just say, poor baby. Let's do some practice. My day was so hard. This person said this and the meeting didn't go well and I'm just stressed and like I didn't have time to eat lunch. There are different ways you could respond to this. Like, wow, like, why don't you prioritize your time more if you don't have time to eat lunch? Like, that you can just prioritize your time a little bit better. Maybe, prioritizing isn't something that you're good at. No, 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 no. Like, guys, this is going to make it worse. This is going to get us from helping to instead the hurt, hurt, hurt. Remember, like, they're already hurt that it happened. Let's be that thing to take them out of hurt. It's not nice to be hurt, to feel hurt, okay? Instead, you could say, wow, that must be really hard for you. Or, poor baby. Poor baby. That's it. Wow, like, honey, I'm so sorry. Like, that sucks. Come here. Can I give you a hug? Guys, that's so nice. Like, wow, people want to hear that, Like, it makes people feel really happy if you can share that with them. So the idea here is even if you don't agree with them, okay, you just want to take their side in the moment to help them feel better. Now, you don't have to agree with them. So you don't have to say like, oh my God, you're right. You can just say, that must suck for you. Poor baby. Okay. And that's it. You're not agreeing. You're not disagreeing. You're just expressing and understanding that it really sucks for them. And that's okay. So just remember, if your partner ever comes to you, a lot of us cringe, like, oh my God, what do they want from me? Like, I don't know. You know, like, I don't know what to do. I can't solve all their problems. I'm not a therapist. I'm not a therapist. You don't have to think like this. Just say, that sucks. Poor baby. In just a nice way. Like, just like acknowledge that they have pain and they'll feel better. That's it. You know, like, I mean, it's not that simple, but like, it kind of is too. It's like, if you just do that, it'll make it better. Thank you so much for listening to this lesson. If your partner, where we talked about teamwork, if your partner comes to you with that issue, okay, just take their side. Remember, they're already hurt. Just take their side. Tell them, I'm sorry, that must suck. You know, like, what can I do to help you feel better? Do you want a massage? Guys, like, that's it. The opportunity to connect. And also recognize, remember, we talked about the emotional bank account. When they're coming to you with a problem and they're telling you how they feel, a lot of us are like, oh my God, they want me to solve their problem. Like, I'm not doing this, you know? But guys, it's really beautiful because it's adding to the emotional bank account. It's an opportunity to create feeling. And that's so often, guys, that's what our partners want from us. They want to make feeling. They want to feel connected to us. They want to share their feelings with someone. They want someone to share their feelings with them. That's a relationship, guys. People say it's so hard to understand their partner. What do they want? Guys, that's what they want. They just want to connect to you. They just want to feel. Okay? Just connect. Say, wow, that sucks. Show emotion. Show that, like, wow, I can't believe they said that to you. That's awful. Like, you don't have to overreact either. Like, oh my God, I feel horrible. Because then they're going to be like, no, now I feel bad that you feel horrible. You know, but you can just say like, wow, like, damn, that sounds like that sucks. I'm sorry. Like, poor baby. Okay. So thank you so much for listening. In the next lesson, we're going to talk a little bit more about issues with teamwork in terms of like our priorities. Where should we put our partner with respect to our family or other things in our life that are demanding our time and demanding our side? So we said you want to take your partner's side, but like, what if it's between your partner and your parents? We're going to talk about that in the next lesson. So thank you so much for listening, and I'm so excited to welcome you back in the next lesson.